Hello, I'm going to show you how to use Interview360, an area of the Careers and Enterprise Hub with a range of tools to help you prepare for interviews. If you haven't yet logged into the Careers and Enterprise Hub, please watch that corresponding video so that we can make sure you're registered and able to access this page that you're seeing now. To access Interview360, you need to hover your mouse over the Resources tab. And then, below the CV information, which is explained in our other video that we suggest you watch before this one, we can see Interview360. From here, you can watch a video or read some more information about Interview360. Or you can scroll down to the buttons to go through to mock interviews or browse interview questions, which we'll come back to in a moment. Or you can keep scrolling to find more resources, tips and advice on interview preparation. If we click on mock interviews, we'll come through to this page with some more options. If you just want an immediate, standard, auto-generated interview, head for the middle interview. This will be 6 questions and last approximately 8 minutes. The questions are a random selection of common questions, which will help you practice and perfect your answers. You can choose to have this as a video interview or to type your answers. We appreciate that one of the draws to this is the artificially intelligent, or AI, feedback on the interview. But please note, you'll only get this if you use video, not if you choose to type. For the artificial intelligence or AI video interview on the left, you'll need to have uploaded your CV to CV360, as the questions you'll be asked will be based on your CV. It'll ask you to select which CV you'd like the interview to be based on, so you can look through your CV history here and choose. And again, you'll be able to go through to select whether you want to video or type your answers. But don't forget, you'll only get the artificially intelligent feedback on the interview if you use video. If you scroll down, you'll also see that there are 4 more interview sets available. So if you know the type of interview you're likely to get, you can opt for that specifically. When you receive your AI feedback report, you'll see this. On the left, it scores your confidence level based on a benchmark. Then it reminds you the number of questions you answered, in what length of time, and analyses what your video quality was. It'll show you a reminder of the questions you answered, and if you click on the title tab, it'll open up to show you more. You'll get the video of your answer alongside a transcript of your response, so you can re-watch it with the feedback to learn. It'll offer you some key points in what to consider answering the specific question. For example, with the question, "How would your manager at Canterbury Christ Church University describe you?" the advice includes what to include and avoid when formulating your answer, and what the interviewer may be looking for. Then we get to the analysis of the answer. It'll analyse each part of your response, not just your words. You get feedback on the frequency of your smiles, the clarity and speed of your speech, all things that could affect how an interviewer receives you. Here we have some more feedback, but this time more technical, looking at the camera positioning and video quality. These can affect your perceived professionalism, so it's important to get them right, and always remember to consider what might be behind you in the image when you're on video. Once it's a completed video, you can always return to it in the Options tab on the right-hand side. If we go back to the Resources tab and click on Interview360, we'll land back at the opening page. If now we look at Browse Questions, it'll take us through to this screen. There's a whole range of questions that you can search through using the search bar here, or filter the categories by tag. Then, if you click on one, it opens up and gives more information. For example, what did you do in lockdown? If we open this up, we can see the filter tags in blue. You can click on any of these to get more questions of that type. It then gives you some more information on the question and some key points to consider when forming an answer. This is a great place to explore and reflect.